In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form using Mailchimp. Pop-ups can be a fantastic way to capture your visitors' attention and grow your email list effectively. Let's dive right into the steps and guide you through this simple yet impactful task. First things first, let's head over to Mailchimp. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp URL. If you already have a Mailchimp account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up for an account, which is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Mailchimp dashboard. On this page, you'll find all the tools and options you need to manage your email marketing campaigns. Now let's navigate to the Forms section. On the dashboard, you will notice a menu on the left side. Click on Create, and a drop-down will appear. Here you want to select Sign Up Form. Inside the Sign Up Form options, you'll see a choice for Pop-up Form, which is what we're interested in today. Click on Create Pop-up Form to begin the setup process. After clicking Create Pop-up Form, you'll be prompted to continue. At this point, Mailchimp will offer you guidance on selecting the right template for your pop-up. Templates are essential because they give you a solid starting point for design and layout, saving you a considerable amount of time. Depending on your brand and the message you want to convey, select a template that best fits your style. Mailchimp provides a variety of them, catering to different industries and audiences, so take your time browsing them. Mailchimp will guide you through the steps to customize the template once you've selected it. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and other design elements to ensure your pop-up aligns perfectly with your brand identity. Also, consider what fields you want to include in your form. Common choices are name and email address, but you can add others if needed. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and not overwhelm visitors with too many fields, as this can deter them from signing up. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your pop-up form, you'll want to preview it. Mailchimp allows you to see how the pop-up will look on different devices, ensuring that users have a seamless experience, whether they're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. If everything looks good, you can proceed to save and publish your form. By following these simple steps, you now have a fully functional pop-up form ready to go live on your website. It's a great tool to capture leads and grow your marketing outreach. And there you have it. Your pop-up form setup in Mailchimp is complete. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and happy mailing.